Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. We have arrived to Dreams Macao Family Resort, 5 stars. So follow along and let's see what this resort's all about.
You gotta get their pictures here.
Look at the beautiful luncheon they have set up for us. Isn't this stunning? Our food here was absolutely delicious, so you'll have to try it when you come to this restaurant and resort. This building is where the deluxe rooms are, not preferred, and it's closest to the water park. All other rooms here are preferred.
And there's the water park. The water park, the zip line in the back. We have the rope walk.
Food truck on site. There's the Explorers Club. We are about to look at a family villa, room 6,000.
Difference is Glenhurst does not have this beautiful back.
But they don't have to I charge them okay. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, it just keeps going and going.
Wait, is that a single bed or is it two queens?
I think it's two.
I'm trying not to stand still for too long so you guys can get your photos.
I can get in there.
Wow, your own private plunge pool. Your own hammock.
That's okay.
And these beds are queen size beds. In this building, the one that's closest to the water park, there are deluxe rooms. There are also preferred rooms, but this is the only building where they have deluxe rooms. There are 4 levels of rooms, and there are elevators in all the buildings. Sugar Reef Bar. Preferred Club Pool. This is the Sky Terrace, very popular for weddings, but there's 34 steps up, no elevator. So if you have any guests who aren't able to climb the stairs, this will not be an option.
And for the big entrance, is through the stairs.
This is an area for wedding receptions, and it can handle up to 250 people. This pool is for the preferred rooms and adult only. Oceana Seafood. It's 2001 Master Suite Ocean Front.
It's bigger than my house in here.
But the price now, because they can get right in here.
This looks incredible. Wavy. Very wavy. It is. You know what? I could have waited that behind the worst.
Great. And also, the kids gonna have a special time. And los niños van a tener ahí tiempo.
Water bikes for handicap.
We was in Yellow Valley, like an hour.
I just asked the wedding planner about the height of these waves, and there has been a storm here. Yes, I have been here a few days, and there has been severe rain and thunderstorms. So the water is turbulent right now, but it is not always that way. This resort has 500 rooms and it's spread out. So when you're booking, make sure that you review all of the details well so that you choose a resort that best suits you. We're at the spa. This looks very relaxing. Thank you so much for following along on Dreams Macao. I appreciate you watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks.